trees, flowers, shrubs, rock, geology, Indian culture, history of some of the early settlers in terms of the railroads, how they found water out here, what the water really is, what a rift is, etc. It's all here, and it goes on ad infinitum to be able to provide information to people, so hopefully we can put a lot of that together. Our focus today really is going to be on the ground, so we're going to have, as we're out there today, I want people kind of looking down to see what is there or things they may have questions about that we can't answer. And you know, unfortunately, or I should say fortunately, this area is fairly well traveled, so footprints and animal tracks will be a little bit muddy. But in my backpack, which is a little heavy, because I got some books in there too, I've got some plaster casts of the footprints of some of our local critters. So I can put them down so in case you're out on a less traveled road, you'll have an opportunity maybe to take a look, or you'll be able to identify what those guys may be. These mountains are really formed geologically, and this is a very unique area, and I've got some more information on that too, in terms of how it was formed, because you're sitting on the San Andreas Fault, and the San Andreas Fault that goes from Point Reyes and runs right on down through here, which is the infamous San Francisco Fault, multiple times, and the spurs that come out of it, and the Big Bear Landers quake a few years ago, the Northridge quake, etc., are spurs. But an earthquake fault is really where two tectonic plates, familiar with the geologic characteristic of the Earth, and we are in between two plates, and one of them is the North American plate and the Pacific plate that come together, and when the plate, and actually those two plates swallowed a plate many of you, if you've studied them, may not have heard of before. It's called the Farallon plate. And the Farallon plate went underneath the two plates and caused some of this uplifting that we have on the junction of the teutonic plates that make up this area. And when the plates come and you get the uplift, you get the Coachella Valley. Well, what is the Coachella Valley? It's a valley. Most people think a valley should have a big river running through it that etched the hole like the Grand Canyon. Well, no. You can get a geologic valley called a rift, R-I-F-T, that is formed when you go through the valley, and it will form it and have a number of spurs that are from that. Now,